So here's just a quick overview of the app, which is called Photoleap, AI art photo editor. Um, so yeah, it's developed by Lightricks. Uh, it's very popular app developer. I don't know if it's associated with Adobe Photoshop or not, but yeah, this app just recently released this new AI features. It's pretty cool where you can take any photo and then you can just apply different filters to it. It's not something completely new. There are a bunch of apps which already do that, but in this app you have it's very nicely organized in different categories. So you can create AI selfie, AI anime, just AI room. Like you can take a photo of your room and then you can just change how it might look like. And then yeah, here let's just explore it. So then you can just go to the app. You can instantly create your account with the Apple ID or something like that. And then originally this app was quite helpful to like remove background, enhance quality of the photo, like remove some objects from the photo, colorize your photos, replace the sky, blur background, retouch. There are some other filters, but now they just released this new feature which is called AI tools. And now yeah, here you have all these different categories. So you can change AI scenes, you can do AI transform, AI selfies, AI anime, AI rooms, AI tattoos, AI cars. So yeah, for example, AI scenes, let's just try it out so you can see how it looks like. So yeah, is this app you can reimagine landscapes, landmarks, even your living room, all with the power of AI. So you need to know that of course AI is still experimental, so maybe some results won't be that good or there might be some bugs. So what they say, like for the best results, you need to introduce well-lit scenes, ground level perspective, free of people and animals, and things to avoid photos of people, animals, white landscapes, photos taken at night or in low light. So just tap start and then let's just explore. I had some photos of some landscape. Let's explore it. So here, for example, we can check out like this photo, and this would be just some, like for example, beach landscape. And then I just can select some filters in the bottom, like abandoned filter or outgrown. And then you can see this is how it's being changed. As you can see, it's not like that precisely good yet, because for example, here you see just beach with a sea, and here then you will see the field. So there are some bugs and glitches. It's not perfect, but it's a really good start. And then, for example, I can just select marble, for example. And then, yeah, you can see that it kind of becomes like this, some snowy or some marble-ish landscape. Again, so it better works with the like with some clear landscapes or like some clear architecture things like some castles or stuff like that. If you send in some a bit more complicated landscape, so here as you can see, for example, the sea and sky is kind of the same color, then yeah, like this app will just glitch a bit probably. So like you can select jungle. Okay, jungle works quite okay, so it does recognize it and it's pretty cool results. So you just need to discover all of these things, and then you can just tap to save it. And then I don't know what that is. Like, can you add? Then you can just add some other photo. So there you have it. And then you can just also, let's try AI selfie. So then let's just select some selfie, for example, and then here you can just select different types of photos. Here's how they look like. And then you can just select different things like this. So yeah, whatever you like. Some of these filters are actually hidden under subscription. So yeah, so for example, if I want to use this, unfortunately I need to upgrade. And yeah, we can talk about upgrading. So yeah, here you have an option. You need to you can upgrade for $40 per year, so not per month, per year. It's pretty good deal actually for this app. Then there is also an option, and then you have a trial. If you choose to upgrade monthly, that's $7 per month. Yeah, and then there is no free trial, or one-time purchase can be $200, which you can also choose. So yeah, these are the things which you can use here. Yeah, so something like that. And yeah, then also you have all these things like AI anime, AI rooms, AI tattoos, cars, AI rooms, like whatever. I can just take a photo of the this is bad, whatever. And then yeah, here you see like Danish landscape, and then because it also can take a location, and then you can see how it looks like that. Then you can also select like seaside, so something like that as well. And then you can just kind of experiment and maybe get some ideas how it might look like, how your room can look like, and what can be the improvements here, and all of the things like that. Yeah, so of course some of the things is pretty far from the reality, so you can see it's not like that detailed yet. It just shows you some examples, but it's not that good yet. So yeah, probably need to upgrade, and this like the start of this technology. Hopefully it will just get better with time. And then yeah, you also have these AI cars. You can change like the look of your car. Maybe just experiment which model will suit better to you. And yeah, so that's basically how you can use all these AI tools. Of course, then in addition to these tools, they just have these standard tools which are not AI, which you can just go and try out as well. And then you can just change your background. As you can see, it's almost good. It works. You need probably a few attempts to get it working. So here you can see it's just cutting some part um, of my headphone, so it's not perfect yet, but then you can just try out these things like that. So yeah, and then you can just choose the different backgrounds. You can select different types of backgrounds if you like, which then you can just try out. So yeah, that's the idea. Blur background, fast filters, retouch, can create all these additional things. Sketch it, I don't know, like so another thing is that you can actually uh, type your prompt here, so that's pretty cool. uh, so yeah, you can just type of course, you can see this kind of things already in apps like Dream by Wombo or Wonder AI. And then you can see, yeah, okay, so this one is quite clear, because, but yeah, other ones are not that good. So you can see there are multiple attempts. So yeah, here's, yeah. And also in these AI filters, you can also just, you can also type yourself the prompt a bit. So here, so here, as you can see, That's the app, and then you can just write custom. If you want to add some custom prompts, you can just tap them here, and then you will be able to adjust your image with custom prompts and just say, hey, I want like the beach to be like the sky to be this color, or I want like to increase my biceps or whatever, and then you just type it in, and then it instantly uses the AI and changes the design this way. So it's pretty cool technology. Try it out. As you can see, you can do quite a lot of things even for free in this app, but definitely then if you try to use it a lot, you'll probably need to upgrade. Then you just have all these settings. You can reach out to their support. If you don't like the app, you can just tap to delete your account. But yeah, there you have it. Hope that is helpful.